So in this video, we're going to do an introduction to spreadsheets. We're going to follow 5.1 introduction to spreadsheet node here. We're going to do widening columns and rows, inserting, deleting columns, inserting, deleting rows, wrapping text, merge, center, and number format. So when we start, we're going to go here to Google here. Go to this box. Make sure you're logged in. We're going to go to these boxes and we're going to find sheets and we're going to open up the sheets. Okay, once you're in sheets, you pick a name for the sheet. We're going to open up a blank sheet first. So look, we have here, we can do untitled sheet or just a blank one. And a blank one will open up here. You can title the spreadsheet. So in the top here, you can give it a name. So over here, you can call it Introduction to Spreadsheets. You can put 5.1 if you want at the start. So we give it a name right here. And then we can work. Now, anywhere on this spreadsheet, you can type something. So if you wanted to type here, how are you doing? You can type it here. And then you can click on another box here. You can type something here. Stop me if you can. Or whatever. You can just click anywhere and type. You don't have to start at the corner. You can start wherever you want. So we're going to figure out how to widen. So let's say I want to widen this D. Well, what I do is I go in between here. So see right here, the double arrow shows up and I can make that one smaller, or I can make that column bigger and all the writing fits into it. And I can also do the same here. I can make it smaller or bigger by just going to the arrow. As well here, I can make, let's say this one here. So this is on number 4. I can click, see where the double arrow shows up there. I can come down and I can make number 4 bigger. Okay, that's pretty much how you widen and shrink these. Or I can make it smaller, I can make it whatever size I want. Let's see the next thing. I can wrap the text. So let's say I make this smaller and it can't fit. Right, so see it can't fit it. It goes into this next one here. So I can wrap the text. So how do I do it? I click on the box. I click where the writing is. It tells me the writing's right here. And then I go to Format. I go to Text Wrapping. And I say Text Wrapping here. Instead of Overflow, which means go over or overflow to the next box, I wrap. And now look, the writing goes on to the next line. Okay, that's called Text Wrapping. Let's say that this is smaller. So let's put this smaller. We're going to merge. So let's say you want this writing in these two boxes. So in these two boxes, you want that writing. So we're going to merge it. So we're going to click on the two. Okay. We're going to go to Format. We're going to merge cells. And we're just going to, you see, you can either merge horizontally, merge the other. We're going to merge all. And now see the two boxes. It was two boxes on top. Become one box, and your writing's in the one box. Okay, so that's how you merge. Now, let's say I wanted to center that text. Oh, maybe I'll make this column bigger, but I want that text to be centered in here. So right here, you see that right now it's left aligned. Here you can do a center, and over here you can do like a right align. So you click here, and I can just center the text, but you have to make sure you click on the box. So same here. See, I can click on this text. I can make it right align, so it's aligned to the right side. And your stop me if you can is centered. Now what else? What else can I do? So let's say I wanted to merge a whole bunch. Let's say I want to merge all these boxes here. I can still go. I can go into the format. I can have merge cells. I can still merge vertically, or I can merge all. Let's merge all. And see, now I've merged all these boxes. Oh, I didn't like merging them all, so I can still go to Format, to the merge cells, and I can unmerge them. Just unmerges this here. Looks like it's centered, so let's say I just want to merge these two. You go to Format, and I can merge all here, or merge horizontally. I have the two merged. Okay, number format. So let's type a number here, like just numbers. Interesting, numbers are always aligned to the right while writing. So if I put writing, text, let's say, the text is to the left. Numbers are always merged to the right and text to the left. Let's try a different number, Okay, let's try something like 1.23. I don't know. I keep picking 1. Okay, I just hit. You can hit delete. I just hit delete to get rid of it. So I got like 3 different numbers. Let's change them. So highlight here. Well, if you want, you can format as a currency. So right up here, you can turn it into a currency. Bam, turns it into currency. You highlight the item. So how do you do that? You click on the first one and drag down, then it's highlighted. And you can change them all to percents. Bam, they're all percents. Now these numbers here, you can increase how much decimal accuracy. You're saying, well, it can't fit there. Well, you can always widen. See over here, you'll widen. I got so many decimals accuracy. Maybe I don't want that many decimal accuracy. Maybe I want less. So I can go over here and I can decrease the decimal accuracy. Okay, if I don't want them, if I want all these centered, I can always change it over here. It automatically puts numbers to the right, but I can center it. Over here, I can right align it, or I can go back and, or sorry, left align it and go back to right align over here. Now we've got that. Can we do any other formats? So let's take a look. In here, so you got the dollar sign, which is the currency, the percent, then you can change the decimals with these two. Over here, well, we can do plain text, number, percent. You can do scientific notation, have an accounting. We can put it as a date. So let's put it as scientific notation. So it's 2.3 times 10 to the power 6, so it puts it into a scientific notation format. But there were different options there.